Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Pasta is an Italian food, typically made from unleavened dough of wheat flour, mixed with water or egg and formed into sheets or other shapes. Pasta is a staple food of Italian cuisine. Today we gonna make a rich mushroom pasta with minimum ingredients. Let's get started. Here are the simple ingredients. Penne or macaroni pasta, olive oil or any vegetable oil, onions, bell peppers, mushrooms, fresh cream, pesto rosa, but it's an optional. Salt is required. Chop the onions in stripes, as you required. Chop the mushrooms as required. And finally chop the bell peppers. Let's cook the pasta by the side. Boil water in a saucepan and a little salt into it. When water comes to a boil, add pasta and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Strain the pasta immediately when it's done and let it cool for some time. Add oil to the saucepan. Sauté the onion for 2 minutes. Add bell peppers and sauté for 3 minutes. Now add mushrooms and sauté it for another 2 more minutes. Add salt and mix it well. Now add pesto roso and mix it gently. Now add fresh cream and mix it thoroughly with all the other ingredients. Cover the pan and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add cooked pasta. And add 1 tablespoon of olive oil over the pasta and mix it well with all the ingredients.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and share. See you on next video. Until then, it's bye from Anyone Can Cook.